Hi, my name was Steve Jobs. I was an American entrepreneur and inventor. I was born in California in 1955. When I was young, I was very curious about technology and electronics. In 1976, I created Apple with my friend Steve Wozniak in a small garage. We worked hard and built personal computers for people. Later, Apple became very successful. However, I left the company in 1985. During that time, I created another company called Next and also helped Pixar become a famous animation studio. In 1997, I returned to Apple. I led the creation of new products like the iMac, the iPod, the iPhone, and the iPad. I didn't finish college. I didn't give up when I faced problems. I believe in innovation, creativity, and simple design. My goal was to change the world through technology. Thank you.